Hey there, and welcome to Ribbon Flow Pro. Thanks for checking us out. In this video, I'm going to walk you through everything you get as a subscriber and how to get set up so your bots are trading for you around the clock. So what exactly do you get when you subscribe? First, you get access to 4 exclusive trading bots that run as Pine scripts on TradingView. They're called Ribbon Rider Long, Ribbon Rider Short, OB Bid Long, and OB Bid Short. These bots are designed to trade automatically, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week on the BitUnix exchange, so they're working even while you sleep. You also get access to your subscriber dashboard, where you can manage your trades, find volatile coins worth trading on the Market Monitor page, and learn more about ribbon trading. And here's the best part. Any new bots we release in the future are automatically included in your subscription at no extra cost. So as we grow, your toolkit grows with you. Now let's go into a bit more detail on how the Ribbon Rider indicator works. In this example, I have set up Ribbon Rider Short Bitcoin on a daily time frame when price closes below the ribbon and then retests the short is opened. That is your entry. And depending on what stop loss you have chosen on the indicator will decide how your trade plays out. In this example, a ribbon hard stop has been selected. On the stop loss will stay a certain percent above the ribbon. You can see in this example, the Ribbon Rider Short managed to get an amazing short on Bitcoin that would still be open till this day. In this next example, we are still using Ribbon Rider Short, but we have changed the stop loss setting to the ribbon offset stop loss. This stop loss will follow the ribbon down at a desired percent, and it ensures that your position will get stopped in profits and secure your gains. Now, let's add some take profit targets to the trade. With this example, you can see that we have set Take Profit 1 target to close 50% of the trade when it reaches a 5% move. Take Profit 2 target is set at 10% move and to close 30% of the trade. Lastly, Take Profit 3 is set to close the position on a 20% move from the entry. When these targets are hit, the position gets closed and then waits for another entry. There are many more advanced settings in the indicator that you can experiment with and fine-tune. As you become a more experienced ribbon rider, you'll discover what works best for you. That said, simple trading is often the most effective, especially if you're busy and can't watch charts all day. Ribbon Rider Long works exactly the same way, except it's hunting for long entries. All bots included with your subscription work on any time frame. When you sign up, you get a 7-day free trial. Cancel any time before it ends and you won't be charged. That's plenty of time to test everything and get comfortable with the indicators. Next, let's look at the OB bots. OB equals order block. OBL looks for longs. OBS looks for shorts. We found a high probability setup. After price closes above or below the ribbon for the first time, wait for it to pull back and retest the order block on the opposite side of the ribbon, then enter in the direction of the breakout. Here's an example using the OBS bot on Bitcoin 1-hour chart. Price closes below the ribbon. The bot marks the last bullish green candle above the ribbon with a square box, divided into quarters. In the settings, you can choose to enter at any quarters of the box. For this trade, I selected just the bottom quarter to open the short. The stop loss sits 2% above the top of the box, shown as a red line, also adjustable in settings. Just like with Ribbon Rider, you can set multiple take profit levels, decide how much to close at each, and enable auto break-even stops to lock in gains. In this case, all take profits were hit, and the bot waits for the next signal. Note, OB bots usually require a bit more monitoring depending on your time frame. Finally, connecting to BitUnix and automating trades is straightforward. Get your API key from BitUnix, go to our dashboard, enter link, and paste in your API details. Now your exchange is linked to the dashboard and waiting for trades. That is how quick it is to link up to the dashboard. Now I will create a Ribbon Rider Long trade on a 1-minute time frame for an example. First, I load up the Ribbon Rider Long trade on TradingView. For this example, I'm using a tight ribbon offset stop loss of just 0.3% with a ratio TP of 1. This means the take profit is set at 0.3% above the entry. I'm just doing this for example purposes. Now I would go to the message creator on the dashboard and tell it what I'm doing. I select my exchange, then my strategy, RRL, and then my position size and the leverage. The leverage must be set on BitUnix. Make sure it matches. BitUnix uses a default of 20x. Then choose what take profit setting I am using. Now I am inputting the asset and what time frame. This will give you a name for your trade to save on TradingView to make it easy to track, and then click Update Message. Now you have everything you need to automate the trade on TradingView. To recap, you need to copy 3 things to TradingView: the alert name, the webhook, and then message. Now on TradingView, click the 3 dots and paste these details in the ribbon rider long alert, making sure you post the webhook URL as well. Once done, click Create, and now you're just waiting for the trade to trigger.
I've sped up 15 hours of TradingView footage here, and as you can see, we've had plenty of trades triggered. You can spot the ribbon touches opening the trades, the ratio take profits closing them out, and a few stop losses getting hit as well. In the top left box, that's BitUnix, and you can watch the trades opening and closing right on the chart in real time. And that's it. Like I said, this was just to show you how the bot trades and connects seamlessly to BitUnix. I hope you found this video useful and that it gives you a clear understanding of how you can win at trading without staring at the charts all day. We'd love to see you take advantage of your 7-day free trial to make some great trades and join the growing community of ribbon traders. If you have any questions, just reach out on our socials. If you look at the bottom right, there's a Telegram chat button where you can direct message me. My name is Russell, and thank you so much for watching.